Hey guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. We just got in a beautiful trade. I want to take a moment out of your day, share it with you. It is a 2016 Sea Ray 350 SLX. Beautiful 35-foot luxury day cruiser. One of the unique characteristics of the 350 SLX is going to be this huge rear lounger on the back. This boat is optioned with a full teak interior, so you have teak on that swim deck, teak running all the way through the boat. It's gorgeous. Come on into the boat with me. Plenty of seating for guests, family, friends. This awning will extend over that back to give you ample shade. On this one, you've got an option grill right here. We've got a nice little sink spot for you. Refrigerator right here. Lots of storage underneath all the seating in this boat. Coming in a little bit further into the cockpit. This 350 SLX is optioned with two 350 horsepower engines, and on this one you do have joystick piloting. Makes it super easy to control if you just want to move this boat to the side, port or starboard. Just moving this, twisting that little knob. Easy to control, easy to handle on the water. Great for somebody who's maybe not as confident with a bigger boat. Nice size head unit on this boat. Let you stay out on the water a little bit longer, enjoy the sun a little bit longer. On the 350 SLX, you're going to notice a little cabin area. If you need to get out of the sun, if you need to get out of bad weather, just popping yourself in there, relaxing for a moment, then getting back on the water. And of course, up in the bow of the 350 SLX, plenty of room to enjoy, relax, sit down, armrest there, otherwise you can lounge wherever you want. Fantastic sound system. Like always, if you have any questions about this boat or any of the other boats that we have in inventory, reach out to myself and any of my other colleagues. My name was Tom Eckers. As always, please like and subscribe for other videos. They pop up daily.